Oh my knickers, the singing walrus, how dare you use the kids cheering sound effect? You know that sound effect is bad for people's health. And as for you, how dare you using the capcut cheering sound effect? You know that makes your ears bleed worse than the kids cheering sound effect. That's it. If I hear you using that sound effect again, I will spank your butt. Understood?